guys, what's up? Welcome to Thai Auto News. I'm at the Porsche booth at the 2025 Thailand International Motor Expo, and we'll be checking out the highlights in this booth, starting off with this 911 Spirit 70. But before checking out the video, don't forget to support the channel, hit the subscribe button, as well as the like and bell icons to be notified whenever we have a new car video from Thailand. ขอบคุณครับ According to Porsche, the 911 Spirit 70 is limited to just 1,500 units worldwide and is based on the latest 911 Carrera GTS Cabriolet featuring high-performance hybrid technology. The 911 Spirit 70 features a black fabric roof and windshield frame, black three-stripe design on the bonnet here inspired by safety stickers from the 1970s. Being a turbocharged car, you've got huge air intakes for cooling purposes. This is the third model from the Heritage design family, and the 911 Spirit 70 pays homage to the 70s and 80s, featuring unique design elements from the cars of those years. The exterior is highlighted by a dark olive neo green paint finish that's exclusive to this model. Comes with Sport Classic wheels, 20-inch in front and 21-inch at the rear, inspired by the Fuchsfelge wheels. I'm not sure how to pronounce that. Meanwhile, the interior features basalt black club leather with olive neo stitching. Inside you have an electronic gear shifter along with a drive mode selector on the steering wheel. However, I think if this car came with manual transmission, it will feel more retro. One of the most iconic features is the Pasha pattern in black and green, inspired by the waving checkered flag. This pattern consists of cleverly arranged rectangles of different sizes, creating a sense of movement in the pattern. The first time I saw this pattern was in the 928 back when I was a kid, and this pattern was also used in the 911, 924 and 944 until the mid-1980s. This is a 2+2 layout, so there's not much space at the rear, as you can see. In case you didn't know, this is a rear engine car with a top speed of 312 km per hour, while acceleration from 0 to 100 takes 3 seconds with the Sport Chrono package. At the rear you have this round Heritage design badge, along with galvanized gold-plated lettering. Looks really awesome, and so 70s. The lower bumper features matte black garnish as well as bronzite accents. Meanwhile, the serious-looking dual exhaust is located in the center. This is the 2026 Cayenne S E-Hybrid Coupe that took part in the epic road trip from Bangkok to Stuttgart. According to Porsche, the purpose of this trip is to prove the high durability as well as technical standards of this 2026 facelift Cayenne Coupe, which is produced in Malaysia. This epic road trip took 61 days, went through 17 countries and covered as much as 22,000 kilometers, so I guess that proves the durability of this Malaysian assembled 2026 Porsche Cayenne S E-Hybrid Coupe. The 2026 Cayenne S E-Hybrid Coupe is built at Porsche's Kulim assembly plant in Malaysia and is developed for the Southeast Asian market, including Thailand. This one is priced at 6.29 million baht and comes with full options, including the black and red interior. As you can see, very sporty. There is plenty of room for 4 occupants in this Cayenne Coupe Hybrid, and this panoramic glass sunroof really adds a large amount of airiness to the cabin. There are 3 display screens taking up the whole width of this front console. We get a multifunction steering wheel with a drive mode controller dial over here. The whole console comes with soft touch material, and there's also an analog clock in the middle, very classic. Being an SUV, there are handles on both sides, very sturdy, so keeps you in place when the going gets tough. Start center display showing the map here. The electrically powered seats come with plenty of adjustments, including lumbar support, and there's also plenty of headroom. The whole door panel feels very nice, lots of soft touch areas. Being a Porsche, you can expect a high level of luxury in the cabin along with clean-cut design. Okay, let's check out the back seats. Armrest. So decent amount of space for the rear passengers, although I guess only 2 people here. The middle seat is kind of awkward, I guess. Air vents, USB port, and 12-volt charger over here. Also worth mentioning is the Porsche 963 LMDh racing car that won the IMSA title and finished second at this year's Le Mans, along with this 911 GT3 with touring package. This one is for customers who love luxury but still want the thrill of being on the racetrack. With a 4-liter non-turbo boxer engine car producing up to 510 horsepower. Okay, that wraps up our review of the Porsche booth at the 2025 Thailand International Motor Expo. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to support the channel. Hit the subscribe button as well as the like and bell icon to be notified whenever we have a new car video from Thailand. That's all from me today. สวัสดีครับ